Is your business ready for the next level of security and connectivity? At Yendra Techno Solution, we specialize in crafting robust, reliable IT infrastructures that empower your team and protect your assets.
Today we are in Daasharathi Chits Pvt Ltd, which is located in Nagawara next to Manyata Tech Park. This office is secured by eSSL access control and EM lock. Which is installed by our company Yendra Techno Solution. Today we successfully complete our networking site. This office has 24 seating. We provide a LAN port for 24 employees along with one in conference room, one in MD room, one in manager room. Along with that, we also install a access point EAP610 for wireless network for employee to use laptops. So for secure that network, we also install a firewall. For that, we set up 2 racks. For any IT networking solution, please contact Yendra Techno Solution.